Hello everyone, how's everyone's evening going? Picked this thing up from my local Pokemon card shop. I think it's Celebrations Mini 10. Not too bad, never owned one of these. Saw it, thought it was pretty cool. Let's check out what's inside. Little Bulbasaur for good luck. Oh, nice. Guess it's it's pretty cool. Got a little Bulbasaur, Charmer, and Squirtle. Nice. Ooh. Ooh. Didn't know I had 3 packs. Oh, that's pretty cool. That was just Celebrations. I got Darkness Ablaze in this one. Let's open up, find out what we got. So let's start with this one. I'm not real sure about the whole card trick and all that, so let's just check it out. Mr. Mime. Starly. They made a hippo now. And alright. That one's funny looking. That's pretty cool. Alright. Let's see. Let's open the first Celebrations. It's actually probably my first one I've ever opened, to be honest. Let's see. Ooh, nice. Hold on. Don't know how to say that one. Oh my gosh. What the? No way. That is crazy. Is that? Wow. I've never, ever, my whole life have gotten to pull the Charizard by opening the pack. Wow. That is so cool. Holy crap. Wow. I don't know if this one looks pretty awesome too. I'm not sure this one. Leave a comment or something, because I'm, like I said, I come back from the OG era. I'm not really up to date on all the chase cards or pulls or anything, but this Charizard is amazing. Wow. People talk about centering and all that. I'm not too familiar with all that stuff either, but I don't care. That's a nice card. Let's move on to the next pack. See what we can get. Oh, that's pretty cool. Going down again. For sure. Oh, that's a nice card. What is that? Well, yeah, that's was in this tin. Pretty cool. Wow. That is a cool card. All right. Laters.